Now may I request our next speaker, who is Mr. Naseem Iqbal, who has traveled from Azad Kashmir today. He is the head of diplomatic section of Jammu Kashmir Liberation Front. Mr. Naseem Iqbal.
Mr. Chairman, friends, colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, we have assembled here this historic conference. This conference is follow-up of ICA Intra-Kashmir Conference held on London and Kashmir Peace Conference held on Toronto. These conferences were historic events. I congratulate ICA leadership. They arranged these conferences and they invited representation of all regions of Jammu and Kashmir. Today, agenda of the conference is reconciliation, peace, security and demilitarization, poverty, sustainable development, human rights, facing the challenge of proxy war and proxy politics, confidence building, connecting people with democracy. We welcome the peace process between India and Pakistan. Kashmiri welcome the bus service as well as going on latest interaction of Kashmiri leadership by crossing the LOC. There has been some relief in the ongoing atrocity during ceasefire across the line of control, but there is no relief from terrorism and violence let loose by regular forces, organized and sponsored militant groups. Let us join to ensure end to violence and restoration of peace and harmony. I would like to draw your attention towards the Kashmiri prisoner detained in Indian jails. These detainees belong to Azad Kashmir and Gilgit-Baltistan. Due to long detention, the life and health of these prisoners would be in danger. Indian courts have given pushback orders of some prisoners, but Indian government is not ready to release, as well as Pakistani government is not willing to accept their return, which is the violation of Geneva Convention. On this day, we demand that all prisoners from AJK be pushed back and made sure their safe return. They must be handed over to ICRC. I believe that no military solution to the dispute, and people of Kashmir are forcibly divided. Although both India and Pakistan exchanged prisoners, but Pakistani and Indian, only Indian national, my chairman Mr. Rauf Kashmiri, detained in Indian jails last 14 years. Indian courts, Tata court passed a verdict on September 2000, but Mr. Rauf pushed back within 3 months, but Indian government had not released so far. Today we need to formulate a strategy which can help and support these peace process, that peaceful and viable solution could be found. Kashmir and geopolitical requirement of South Asia it is imperative that we find a solution of Kashmir which is acceptable to all parties of the disputes and which can bring peace and stability in the region. Kashmiri seeks right of self-determination according to the United Nations Charter, but the people of Jammu and Kashmir are unfortunate people who have been denied of these basic human rights. Our state was forcibly divided in 1947 before the people could exercise their right of self-determination. The right of self-determination, which was limited with the accession either with Pakistan or India, that Kashmiri cannot live independent. Why? The people of Azad Kashmir region cannot get the vote on the basis of freedom, but we can give the vote on the name of Pakistan. The people of Gilgit-Baltistan have no right of vote, they have no self-rule, they have no independent judicial system, there is no state subject rule. As the rule, no non-Kashmiri can buy land in the state of Jammu Kashmir. This rule was violated by Master. Honorable participant, Kashmiri facing the challenge of proxy war and proxy politics of India and Pakistan. We have historic opportunity when the grassroots leadership from both sides of LOC are assembled. We have to solve our problem. After 9/11 and 7/7 event directly and indirectly affected Kashmir issue. We want peace, reconciliation and harmony in South Asia, particularly between India and Pakistan and in our motherland Jammu Kashmir. We want Kashmir is declared to be demilitarized zone for peace, security of South Asia. We reject division of Kashmir on the basis of religions or give and take. I welcome the composite dialogue between India and Pakistan, but we are not accept any imposed solution. Kashmir issue can be resolved on tri-party dialogues. The Jammu and Kashmir geographically comprised on 5 regional parts: Jammu, Kashmir Valley, Ladakh, Kargil, Azad Kashmir and Gilgit-Baltistan, which is called United States of Jammu and Kashmir. In order to formulate a central leadership to pursue the aim and objective of freedom of the state, there should be elected their representative to participate in the dialogue at highest forum between the two concerned countries. These elected representatives of 5 regions should further elect a joint parliament to represent the cause of Jammu Kashmir within the ambit of high forum to be involved in the paralyzed. In the meantime, Kashmir should be declared demilitarized zone to facilitate it lasting solution between the rival parties. I thank Mr. Nazir Gilani, Chairman of ICA, Shaukat Kashmiri, Secretary General of ICA, Dr. Shabir Chaudhary, Mr. Mumtaz Khan, Abbas Bhatt, who make possible for us to sit together to speak on Kashmir. Inshallah, one day will come when we assemble on our motherland, Kashmir. When Kashmir free, independent, we believe in values of democracy, secularism and social justice. Kashmir can peace again become the paradise on earth. Let us all to work together to make the dream of reality. I thank all. Thank you.